Hello wise investors! Sa video na ito, gagawa po tayo ng stock review for Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company or Metrobank, ang isa sa largest universal bank sa Pilipinas. So kung nagbabala kang mag-invest sa Metrobank, sana makatulong sa iyo itong video na ito. So unting background lang about the company. Metrobank was incorporated on April 6, 1962. Metrobank principal business activities involve deposit taking and lending, trade finance, remittance, treasury, investment banking, and thrift banking. MBT is also participant in the foreign exchange market and is accredited by the Securities and Exchange Commission as a government securities eligible dealer/broker. Ang ilan sa significant subsidiaries ng Metrobank ay ang First Metro Investment Corporation, PSB or Philippine Savings Bank, and Metrobank Card Corporation. And as of December 31, 2024, meron ng 960 branches ang Metrobank across the Philippines and around 2,300 ATM or automated teller machines. These are both off-site and on-site. Meron din silang around 170 cash accept machines and around 30 foreign branches or offices. So ang current chairman po ng Metrobank ay si Arthur T., isa sa mga anak ng founder na si George T. Aside sa Metrobank, siya rin po ay director ng GT Capital Holdings Incorporated, vice chairman ng Philippine Savings Bank, chairman ng Metrobank China Ltd., Chairman and President ng Philippine Securities Corporation at Advisor ng AXA Philippines. Naka-receive din po siya ng Asian Banker CEO Leadership Achievement Award in 2019, which recognized him as one of the stellar financial leaders in Asia Pacific, Middle East, and Africa regions. So with that, we can say na merong proven and tested management ang Metrobank. So now let's check their financials. Unahin na natin yung revenue at net income. So for the revenue, bumagsak ito from 2020 to 2021. Pero nasustain din naman yung upside from 2021 to 2024. While for their net income, consistent itong tumaas from 2020 to 2024. And for their equity, bahagya itong bumaba from 2020 to 2021. Pero nasustain din naman yung upside from 2021 to 2024 at meron silang 5-year average growth na 4.12%. At para malaman natin kung meron bang enough capital ang Metrobank to protect their depositors' money, kunin natin yung kanilang capital adequacy ratio. Para makuha yon, ang formula ay Tier 1 plus Tier 2 capital divided by risk-weighted assets. So, ang capital adequacy ratio ng Metrobank ay 16.7%. Ang minimum regulatory requirements ng BSP or Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas for CAR is 10%. So, with that, we can say na above sila sa minimum requirements. So, yung current EPS or earnings per share ng Metrobank ay 10.76, while yung kanilang PE ratio ay 7.03. So meaning, we are paying 7.03 pesos to earn 1 peso. And for me, that is attractive. At para malaman natin kung meron bang enough liquidity ang Metrobank para makover yung kanilang fund requirements, kunin natin yung kanilang loan to deposit ratio. Para makuha yon, kailangan lang nating i-divide yung total loans sa total deposits. So yung loan to deposit ratio ng Metrobank ay 71.21%. Ang gusto natin dito ay below 100%. So with that, we can say na meron silang attractive loan to deposit ratio. For dividends, yung total dividends ng Metrobank based sa kanilang latest trailing 12 months ay 5 pesos per share. Sa current price na 73.55 pesos, bibigyan niya tayo ng 6.80% dividend yield. So, kumpara sa other banks, ang MBT or Metrobank ang may pinaka-attractive na dividend yield. At ang kagandahan pa sa company, consistent silang nagbibigay ng dividends every year. At para naman sa intrinsic value ng Metrobank, ang ating computed intrinsic value ay 97.03 pesos. Using the margin of safety na 20%, ang ating buy below price ay 77.62 pesos. So kung mapapansin nyo, 20% lang ang ginamit nating margin of safety for Metrobank since isa ang Pilipinas sa may strong banking system at magagaling na bankers yung naunguna sa ating central bank. So ayun lamang guys, sana nakatulong sa inyo itong video na ito, lalo na sa mga nagbabalak mag-invest sa Metrobank. So kung nakatulong man, please don't forget to like this video at kung bago ka sa ating channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button para updated ka sa mga future videos na i-upload natin. At kung meron kang mga companies na gustong ipa-review, kindly comment down below. Maraming salamat po.